Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. Today I'm gonna cook some cornmeal dumpling. Yeah, some cornmeal dumpling with it. We have peas and carrot. Yeah guys, we have a peas and carrot. And we have a piece of saltfish guys. So I don't know saltfish and peas and carrot with cornmeal dumpling. And we have a rye plant guys. Yes, the rye plant. Yeah. I'm gonna boil my plant with the flour, you understand my deed. So guys, watch your badness in the kitchen. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna knead up my flour and I'm gonna see what I go on. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna knead up some flour, some cornmeal dumpling guys, saltfish and peas and carrots. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna knead up my flour now, I soon come back guys. Yeah guys, see my saltfish. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my saltfish to go and soak. You understand now deed, yeah. Soak out the salt. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna use a piece. Don't know the badness though. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna go and knead up my flour now. Don't know the badness go. So guys, so now I knead up my flour now. So my flour I calm me. Yeah guys, so now I knead up. Yeah guys, so my flour done, knead up. I light up my stove. Put on my pot pan fire, I'm gonna see what I go on guys. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna light up my stove. Make my water go on hot. You understand me? And guys, you don't have to put no salt in the water because you go put your saltfish in the water with the flour to boil. You understand me? So guys, watch your badness. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so I go throw my flour in the pot now. Some water boil. Water boil guys. So I'm gonna put in my flour. I'm gonna peel the Irish said way and drop in it. You don't know the thing set up. cornmeal flour, guys, with saltfish and peas and carrot. Them no know when hungry I bite. Said I'm working hard. Said even some yard me have to go break up. Said I'm working hard. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, some bad cornmeal flour in I evening, yeah. With saltfish and sweet corn, guys. And this evening, me now make me dumpling them extra big. You hope us make some small dumpling this evening, people. You guys gonna peel the Irish, showing the pot said you understand now, dude. You don't know me and me planting alongside it. Be about this, guys. You guys gonna peel the Irish, showing the pot. Don't know the badness, though. Yeah, guys, so this is my Irish. I'm gonna peel it, show him in the pot, make him boil with the flour. You understand how these soon come back, guys. Yeah, guys, so show me Irish in the pot now. I'm gonna wash off my saltfish, guys, and put in the pot, make him go and boil with the flour and the Irish. You don't know the badness, go soon come back. Saltfish, guys. So, guys, what I'm gonna do meantime, I will cut up some ground season for me saltfish. You understand how I did, so soon come back. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna throw my plant in the pot now. Make it go and boil with the flour, the ovals. Yeah, guys, so this is my ground season for my saltfish and my peas and carrot, guys. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take out the saltfish out of the pot and pick it up. You understand how I did? Yeah. So, guys, watch how I go on in the kitchen. Take out the saltfish, guys. Yeah, guys, so I make the flour then go and soak a little more. don't know the badness. Irish cook. You don't know plant easy to cook, right? Plant easy to cook. The flour them cook, guys, but I make them soup because what I'm gonna do, I go pick up the saltfish, guys. I'm gonna see what I go on. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, so see my saltfish. Yeah, I'm gonna light up my stove, fry up the saltfish. I'm gonna see what I go on, guys. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna take off my flour pot. And flour them cook. You understand how I did? Yeah. Put on my liquor to fry up my peas and carrots and my saltfish, guys. Be about this. Guys, look what going over here. So. Yeah, so if flour they looking at pot. Guys, soon come back. Guys, be about this in Nicholas kitchen. Some bad peas and carrot with saltfish, cornmeal dumpling, ripe plantain, and Irish potato. Guys, soon come back. Yeah, guys, so put in the season, fry up the season. Peas and carrot, guys. Guys, a mixed vegetable. I talk about peas and carrot, guys. Believe me, you know, say I want peas and carrot. Me want instead of the mixed vegetable. You hear me? I say peas and carrot all long, guys. A mixed vegetable. So I'm going to use the mixed vegetable with the saltfish. You understand me? But believe me, guys, it's a peas and carrot me didn't want. But me take up the wrong one. But don't watch nothing. I'm gonna use the mixed vegetable with the saltfish. You understand me? Yeah. So guys, soon come back. Yeah, guys. So mixed vegetable in I put already. I go put in the saltfish, guys. Be a badness. All along now, so peas and carrot, yo. Because the peas and carrot for the one. I see it make mistake and take up mixed vegetable. Going up and around still. Guys, making one steam down. Be about this in a Nicholas kitchen. Soon come back.